Welcome. He looks like he wants to kill me behind camera. Welcome to the hotel apartment tour. Where do we begin? So, I am staying in Agios Nicholas, Crete. I keep forgetting the name. Where do we begin? This corner. So there's very spacious wardrobes. You know, we gotta flex it a bit, obviously. Obviously we got linen trousers. Ralph Lauren, not Polo guys. Ralph Lauren. And a couple of gym shirts. Flop 101. We're staying home, you know, alhamdulillah. As always, anyways. So, you know, our hotel, it has this key thing now. I don't know if they're gonna charge me at the end. Low key, this hotel is pricey. Even water, you gotta pay for. My boy behind me, he's suffering, bro. As we go in, it is a basic bathroom. It stinks like shit. If you follow me on TikTok, you know which toothbrushes. So, this is a queen size bed, actually. Bigger than a king size bed. I don't know how that makes sense, but it does. People can take some stuff out of context, so let me just like contextualize it. Like, oh, I'm gonna chill here, watch videos. I can see that smoke. This is where, don't make it gay. I put my laptop there. Oh shit, my mic, which I'm not plugged in. Guys, the audio's gonna be shit for half the video. I know, very unprofessional. There we go. But hey, we keep it natural, do you know what I mean? Like, this is the one of many bottles Hassan has bought today. Do you know, I'm still pissed off that the security guy took my shampoo go to there. It's sad times. Paradise Gardens as well. Hassan's mugging behind camera, guys. We've got so many snacks. We've got cream and onion. This is his favorite crisp. And Orbits. Orbits. Is that in the UK as well?
I don't think so.
No. Commercial. Guys, this view never gets old. Wow. Look at that view, guys. My feet are burning on the floor right now. Hey, don't get my feet in. There's some weird people online. That's basically it. This is the apartment hotel. We're here for 6-7 nights. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.